Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Shaikhain. Ladies and gentlemen, today again we are going to talk about the contracts, how to enter into contracts, how to make the contract, and today's topic is the authority to the contract. Means a person who is going to sign the contract should be duly authorized person. You see, if a person who has entered into the contract is not duly authorized, is not the authorized person, contract is going to be voidable at the option of the other party. So that person who is going to sign the contract should have the authority to do so. So in case of an individual, he himself is the authority for himself. And in case of a company, the authority to enter into a contract of a person who is signing the contract is to be traced from the article of association of the company. And in case of the LLP, the authority to be traced from the LLP agreement. And in case of a partnership, the authority to sign the contract comprises of all the partners as per the partnership deed. In case of a trust, the name of the authorized person can be ascertained from the trust deed. And further that, when a party is a government body, the authority of the person to sign the contract can generally be traced from the laws in force or rules framed under the law or from the notification issued by the relevant government. And when a party is a society, the authority of signing can generally be found in the bylaws of the society. So to sum up, the contract entered into by a person not having the authority shall render the contract voidable at the option of the aggrieved party. So it is always advisable to check the authority, legal authority of the person who is going to enter into the contract and who is going to sign the contract, and make that authority as part of the contract.